Hello there. Good morning, everyone. I hope that all of you are doing fine. And I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you in my classes. And today is the first day of the school year 2023 to 2024, and this is the first semester. And to all my students, especially in the courses, in the undergraduate courses in conflict resolution, the contemporary world, the introduction to peace studies, I would like to welcome you and I hope that you are now on board. And I would like also to welcome my graduate students in the courses in methods of research, in sociological theories, and also the MAPS program. And I hope that we will have a wonderful time this semester, especially that we have an array of topics and activities set for this first semester. And I know that you're all excited to begin with our classes, and especially I would like to reassure our freshmen that we are always after your welfare and we always think of uh, the outcome of your learning. And I hope that your first time will be a wonderful time. Sabi nga nila, pag maganda ang simula, maganda rin ang katatapusan. And I hope that you will find na exciting ang mag-aral dito sa Bicol University. And because this is one of the biggest university here in Bicol region, and we offer a lot of experiences to our students which they will cherish and they will remember when they graduate from this school. They will always remember the good experiences that they had. Kaya nga kaninang umaga sabi ko sa mga students ko, sa yung mga Freshies, sabi ko, you have to take a picture of yourself, get a photo, your photo, and place it in your notebook. And maybe after 4 years, when you have completed your degree, go back to that notebook, then paste again your current picture and compare what it was before and what it is today. And sabi ko nga sa kanila, maswerte sila at nagkaroon sila ng pagkakataon na makapag-aral sa isang universidad na hindi naman ito nararanasan ng ibang mga kabataan ngayon. Maraming mga kabataan ngayon ang nagnanais na makapag-aral, subalit hindi sila nabibigyan ng magandang pagkakataon. Subalit sa inyo, ito ay isang magandang pagkakataon at sana naman ay atin itong pahalagahan. So, sapagkat ang edukasyon ay napakahalaga, sapagkat ito ang daan para maitayo natin ang ating mga sarili. Sabi nga natin, education is a way to emancipate ourselves, because with knowledge and ability and skill, we are able to transform our lives. We are able to transform everything, and we are able to make the right and the correct decisions. Kaya nga sabi ko sa kanila, ang word na education ay hinangos siya sa wikang Latin na ibig sabihin ay educare. So educare, ibig sabihin pagbabago. So it is something that there should be a change in our lives, and I think that is the purpose of education, to change our lives, to mold us, and to make us and to turn us into better persons. And especially you are lucky because you are at the College of Social Sciences, where we give emphasis to the liberal arts. Sabi nga natin, ano ba ang liberal arts na to? Ang mga liberal arts na ito yung mga kaalaman at kalinangan na tutulong sa atin upang maging malaya ang ating pagkatao, sapagkat pag ang unang napalaya natin ang ating mga kaisipan, tunay tayong magiging malaya. And this can only be done through the training that you will get from the liberal arts and all these things that will enhance your personality and your potentials as a human person, and this will enhance your ability to do the best that you can for humanity. That's why I always said that the best service that we can give to the world is by serving humanity, because this is our only legacy to be able to serve humankind. You can undertake a lot of things, but at the bottom, at the end, we will be asked, what have we done for humanity? Have we eased the pain of others? Have we inspired the people who are discouraged? Have we done good to those who are bad? And are we charitable to those that are in need? And I hope that this semester will truly be inspiring. And I hope that at the end of this semester, we will be able to evaluate ourselves and give us a better assessment of what we have done. So my dear friends, thank you so much for being with us. And I hope that we can continue to cooperate with each other so that we can improve our relationships, and so that we can continue with our work here. So thank you very much, and I hope that you will have a nice day.